So hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show how to assemble as well as disassemble a 3x3 non-magnetic Rubik's Cube. There are two methods of disassembling. The first method is removing a corner piece out or unscrewing the screw. I prefer using the unscrewing method. Take a screwdriver and screw it. There is also a spring. Keep the spring and screw carefully. When you pull it out, the layer has come out. You can easily disassemble the other parts also. Now, I'm going to also show you how to remove the corner. The second method is removing the corner piece. You have to pull it out slowly. Make sure you don't break it. See, a corner piece has come out. Now, first we are going to remove the centerpiece. You're going to pull it this side. Then turn it. It will come. The other pieces will easily come. So we have to assemble the first layer. Now we have to remove the edge pieces also, like this. We have to hold the edge piece, pull it up. We have also disassembled the second layer. The first layer is very easy. You have to remove the corner pieces first. It's the same way, just hold it, pull it up. It will come out really easy. Then the edge pieces, you just have to turn it, it will come out. So we have disassembled. Now we have to start assembling. So now I have sorted out the corner as well as the edge pieces. These are the edge pieces and these are the corner pieces. And this is the core. First, we have to see a white and orange centerpiece. Edge piece. It is this one. I'm going to see. White one should come up and orange one should come on my right side. So I'm going to keep it. There are humps over here. I'm going to slide it in here and turn it up. How? I'm going to put it over here. Slide it up. Do the same for the other edges as well. Slide it in, put it up. You can start with any center. We have made a plus. Now turn it down. Keep it on the downside. Then now we have to take a corner piece. We'll start with red, green and white. We have to search for a red, green and white corner piece. This is a red, green, white corner piece. We have to make sure that the white piece comes down. Red piece is facing the red side and the green piece facing the other green side. This is sometimes a problem, it becomes loose. You can tighten the screw of the white side or the which side you are starting with. Keep it slowly like this, slide it down. It should come out here. Slide it slightly. We have put one corner piece in the proper position. We have to do the same for the others. Oh, here we need orange, green and white. This is the one. I'm going to put it in. We have done the same. Now do the same for the other sides. So now I have done for all the sides and our first layer is assembled. I want to show you another condition. I'm going to show you another condition. Over here, the edge piece has opened like this. The yellow and green edge piece. So now you have to see, there is a hump over here which fits into this hole. We have to slightly push it in. Our piece is ready. And if the edge piece has come out like this, you can see there is a hole over here and the sharp part. Keep it slightly over here. Push it slowly in. Do the same thing. Our corner piece is also ready. So let's continue. Now we see that we need a green and orange red piece, edge piece. So now this is the one. I am going to turn it so that the green side faces the green and the orange faces the orange. And I'm going to slightly push it in from the top. Next is the green red. Do the same. Slightly push it. Turn it. Orange and blue. Push it in. Last one is blue and red. Slightly push it in. Our second layer is also complete. Now, in the next part, we are going to do the fine layer. It's a bit tough because you have to put a bit of force. Don't put much force or the pieces may break. Take it like this. You'll see there's a hump like over here. Put it like this. Turn it. Then take the other piece. Put it over here. It sometimes may be tough. If you're not able to do it properly, unscrew it a bit. That time it will become easier. I'm unscrewing it a bit. Don't unscrew it totally. Do the same. Turn it. Put it in. So we have made the top glass. Now make it a bit more tight because we are going to put the corner piece. Take a blue, red and yellow corner piece. We are going to put it over here. This one. Then see that the yellow piece is on the top. Put it in slowly. Done. Do the same. Yellow, blue, put it in. It should come out here. This one should come over here. Fit it inside. You have to pull the corner piece. It may be a bit tough. The last corner piece you have to fit in. You have to pull it a bit. Done. We have assembled our Rubik's Cube. Put the centerpiece back. We have assembled it. Thank you. Have a great day.